Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
I think you are clear with previous topic. Suppose if you have any doubt, ask me. Calculation of oxidation number and then balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method. If no doubt means we will move to next topic. Balancing redox reaction by half reaction method. No doubt. Balancing redox reaction by half reaction method or ion electron method. Here the step 1 is separate the redox reaction into two half reaction. This is the first step. You just separate into oxidation half reaction, another one is reduction half reaction. Number 2, balance the atom involved or balance the other element. Balance the other elements involved. Step 3, this is very important step, is identify or indicate the number of electrons participated in both half reaction. Indicate the number of electrons participated in redox reaction or each half reaction. The next one will be equalize or balance, equalize the electrons, equalize the electron by cross multiplication. And finally add two half reaction. Add the two half reactions involved in redox. The primary step is separate the redox reaction into two half. One is oxidation, another one reduction. Okay, let's take up with one example. First one, dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus oxidizes Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus. Dichromate ion oxidizes Fe2 plus into Fe3 plus plus Cr3 plus in acidic medium. Just tell me quickly, what is the oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion?
Sir, 6.
Okay, plus 6. It is plus 6. Here plus 3. Then iron, it is plus 2, turns to plus 3. Here Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. This is oxidation. So another one, Cr2O7 2 minus 2, Cr3 plus. It is reduction. Good evening. Let's start with the first step. Split up into two half reaction. Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, it is oxidation. So another one, plus 6 to plus 3. Dichromate ion is reduced to plus 3 oxidation state. Here plus 6 reduced to plus 3. Class started already 7 o'clock. Class online. So okay, listen. Balancing redox reaction by half reaction method. First, you have to separate into two half reaction. First one is oxidation, another one will be reduction. So here, oxidation half reaction is Fe2 plus oxidized to form Fe3 plus. In a reduction, dichromate ion reduced to form Cr3 plus. This is step 1. Step 2, balance the other element involved. In oxidation half reaction, no other element participated, only ion oxidized to form ion 3 plus. In reduction half reaction, Cr2O7 2 minus turns to form Cr3 plus, and here oxygen is shortage on right side. What is the method to balance oxygen, shortage of oxygen? By adding suitable number of water molecule here. 7 water molecules are introduced, and then need to balance H plus ion here Cr2O7 2 minus plus number of hydrogen H plus ion participated, totally 14 H plus. This is the actual step 1. You just split up into two half reaction. One is oxidation, another one reduction. Then balance the other element involved during redox. What is the next step? நீங்கள் எல்லாருமே அட்டென்ட் பண்ணீங்களா ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸ் பேலன்சிங் ரிடாக்ஸ்? Indicate the electron. What is the electron involved here? Fe2 plus oxidized to form Fe3 plus electron. Here number of chromium, there are 2 chromium participated. What is the electron difference on both sides? Dichromate changed into Cr3 plus. Just check the oxidation state here, plus 6. Plus 6 turns to plus 3. 3 electrons are involved. So totally 2 chromium participated. 6 electron involved for reduction. Cr2O7 So last class attend பண்ணோ, just wait. So already sir we are familiar with this topic. அப்படின்னா book exerciseல உள்ளதை நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம். Actually இன்னைக்கு என்ன கிளாஸ் உங்களுக்கு? ஓகே, நான் கொடுக்குறேன், எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன். புக் இல்லை, நான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் புக் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன், நீங்கள் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்கள். Here number of electron involved in oxidation of reaction is 1 electron, whereas in reduction 6 electrons are participated, right? So we need to balance the electron by cross multiplication, and then this you just take this is the equation number 1, here 2. Equation 1 multiplied by 6, and then equation 2 multiplied by 1, you will get same equation. But here 6 Fe2 plus gives 6 Fe3 plus 6 electron. And a reduction half reaction, Cr2O7 2 minus 14H plus 6 electron gives 2Cr3 plus 7H2. Here we have two reactions. One is oxidation half reaction, another one is reduction half reaction. The next step, you just add two half reaction before you cancel out electron participated on both sides. So the overall equation is here 6 Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus gives 6 Fe3 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2. This is the balance redox reaction.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that right side equation, no, sir, the equation 1, why you multiplied by 6, sir? How it came?
This is oxidation half reaction, right?
Yes, sir.
Here 1 electron is oxidized, Fe2 plus turns to Fe3 plus.
Yes, sir.
But reduction half reaction, there are 6 electrons are involved.
Sir, how sir 6 electrons gave the number?
What is the oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus?
Plus 6.
No, it is plus 3. Plus 3. So original it is plus 6 turns into plus 3. What is the total number of electron involved? 3 electron. Oxidation number is plus 6, but the number of electron difference during reduction is 3 electron.
Yes, sir. Okay.
There are 2 species involved, 2 chromium involved, so 3 electron into 2, totally 6 electron.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Okay. So in the last class attend பண்ண student overall absent. Come friend. Come friend. டைரக்டா எக்ஸாம் கொடுக்குற ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Okay. For classroom student, please note down. P4. This is not for online student, only for classroom. P4 tetraatomic. P4 plus OH minus. P4 plus OH minus gives pH3. This is only for classroom student. Plus HPO2 HPO2 minus. HPO2 minus. So another one. N2H4 plus ClO3 minus gives NO plus Cl minus. I just repeat, N2H4 plus ClO3 minus gives NO plus Cl minus. Basic medium, both the reaction occurring in basic medium. Try to balance. Ion-electron method. Basic medium. Let's take another example. Please note down. MnO4 minus MnO4 minus plus I minus gives MnO2 plus I2. First, identify the oxidation state of each species and split up into two half reactions.
ஆக்சிஜன் நம்பர் 0 P4 க்கு அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காம்பவுண்ட் -3 இருக்கு அடுத்தது +2 இருக்கு
Disproportionation.
அப்ப அது போகும் ஆனா OH மைனஸ் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும் அது அப்படியே தான் வச்சிருக்கோம்.
So another compound, same compound, one part converted into oxidation, another one will be reduction.
PH4 to PH3 in the reduction, sir. OH minus.
No OH minus. Again P4 changed into HPO2. OH minus is a regular hydroxide ion. H plus only. This is basic medium. First, assign the oxidation state of each species. Here, +7, +4, I minus, it is -1 oxidation state. In I2, it is 0. Reduction, here oxidation. First, split up into two half reaction. First one, oxidation. Oxidation half reaction. I minus changed into I2. Here -1. In iodine, it is 0. Another one, reduction half reaction. MnO4 minus gives MnO2. This is the fundamental step. You just split up into two half reactions and then balance the other atom involved. Here 2I minus gives I2. And right side, MnO4 minus gives MnO2. In right side, two oxygens are shortage. So we need to balance shortage of oxygen by adding water molecule, 2-time water molecule. In MnO4 minus, there are 4 oxygen, but MnO2, it reduced to MnO2, it contains only 2 oxygen atom. And then hydrogen is balanced by MnO4 minus plus total number of hydrogen on right side 4. 4H plus gives MnO2 plus 2H2O. But this reaction occurs in basic medium. How to eliminate H plus? By adding suitable number of hydroxyl ion on both sides. So here MnO4 minus 4H plus 4OH minus gives MnO2 plus 2H2. So these ion become water molecule. MnO4 minus plus 4H2O. Here also 4OH minus. So listen, this step very important one. So in order to remove H plus ion exists on this equation, we have to add hydroxyl ion, suitable number of hydroxyl ion on both sides. Splitting up equation over and then balancing. Next step is introduce or indicate the electron involved. Number of electron involved in oxidation. What is the electron? I minus changed into I2. It is 1 electron. But 2 time iodine involved, iodide ion. So 2I minus gives I2 plus 2 electron. Okay. On right side. What is the oxidation number of MnO4 minus? It is plus 7. Here plus 4. What is the electron difference? 3 electron. Okay. Only one species involved. So no need to multiply any number. You just add 3 electron on reactant side. During reduction, electrons are accepted by the species. MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. Let's take up equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. What is the next step? Balancing or equalizing electron. Okay, equalizing electron by cross multiplication. Here what is the electron number involved on reduction? It is 3. So 3 electron multiplied by equation 1. Equation 1 into 3. Therefore 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6 electron. And then what is the electron involved on oxidation? 2 electron. These 2 electron multiplied by reduction reaction. Okay. So therefore equation 2 multiplied by number 2. 2MnO4 minus plus 8H2O plus 6 electron gives 2MnO2 4H2O plus 4OH minus. Now we just add these two equations. Remove the electron. 8 OH minus. Now you just add these two equations.
Doubt, sir. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Sir, can you again explain the reduction half law?
Okay, try another one equation in acidic medium. The first step actually rules கொடுத்திருந்தோம். Step 1, step 2, step 3. Steps correctly follow பண்ணா we'll get answer.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, in the step that you have underlined, sir, the number of the coefficient of OH minus should be equal to the coefficient of hydrogen, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, here H 4 times H plus ions are present, but this reaction occurs in basic medium.
Yes, sir.
So in order to remove H plus ion in this equation, we just multiply hydroxyl ion on both sides. Here 4 times, and right side also there are 4 ions.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, reduction half law வந்து second step எப்படி ரெண்டு H2 ஆட் ஆகும் மட்டும் திருப்பி சொல்றீங்களா?
Not audible.
Sir, reduction half law வந்து second step எவ்வளவு, sir? Reduction half
Ion electron method. Students, volume raise பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு doubts கேட்கலாம். You just follow the step. First step, split up into two half reaction. This is oxidation, another one reduction. Step 2, balance the atom involved. So here 2 iodine on right side, so multiplied by 2. Step 3, this is the step 3, just indicate the electron involved during reduction. I minus to I 0, just one electron, but there are 2 species are involved. So this equation indicated, or this equation expressed in right way by adding 2 electron. The same way we just following on reduction. This is redox half reaction. First, balance the other atom involved. Here there are 4 oxygen, but right side only 2 oxygen. The shortage of oxygen multiplied by water molecule. And then hydrogen, number of hydrogen balanced by adding H plus ion. The same method, previous method, oxidation number method. Any technique use பண்ணுமோ அதே technique. Shortage of oxygen balanced by adding water molecule. Shortage of hydrogen is balanced by adding H plus ion. But this reaction occurring in basic medium, you just remove. Directa by H plus மட்டும் remove பண்ண முடியுமானா no. So by adding suitable number of, suppose 4H plus, in case 2H plus means you have to add 2OH minus ion. Then these 2 ion combine to form water. And finally we can remove water molecule on both sides. Here 8H2O, here 4H2O. This complete 4H2O balanced by on left side. The final equation will be 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 electron gives 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. No water molecule present on the right side because 4 water molecule are balanced by the water molecule present on the left side. So balancing method you just practice. Next example நீங்க செல்ஃபா ட்ரை பண்ணனும். In case any doubts, step 1 step 2 எந்த ஸ்டெப்ல டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிடணும். Note on the another example. MnO4 minus plus SO2 gives Mn2 plus HSO4 minus.
Medium, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it acidic medium?
Yeah, acidic medium. MnO4 minus plus SO2 gives Mn2 plus HSO4 minus in acidic medium. Student, first assign the oxidation number on each species. Manganese, sulfur on both sides and split up into 2 half reaction. இங்கே ஆட் பண்ணி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். H2O இங்கே ஒரு 2H2 கேன்சல் ஆகுனா ரிமைனிங் P4 to PH3 oxidation number decreases, reduction. So another one P4 to no, this is disproportionation reaction. Oxidation P4 to HPO2 minus, reduction P4 to PH3. Coming week உங்களுக்கு redox monthly test இருக்கு. Muhammad Arshad.
Sir,
Tell me the oxidation reaction, oxidation half reaction involved.
sir, 1 minute.
Shweta,
Sir,
what is the reduction half reaction involved in this complete reaction?
sir, reduction reaction is MnO4 minus 2Mn2 plus, sir.
Okay. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus.
Mn2 plus.
Okay, good.
Sir, oxidation number of Mn is plus 7, sir.
So here plus 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So number of electron participators in this reduction. What is the number of electron involved in reduction of reaction?
Sir, 5.
5 electron. Good. Arshad,
Yes, sir.
what is
Sir,
the oxidation half reaction?
oxidation SO2 to HSO4, sir.
SO2 gives HSO4 minus. What is the oxidation state of sulfur in SO2?
4, sir.
Plus 4, sir.
4. In sulfur in HSO4 minus?
6, sir.
Plus 6. First balance the other atom involved. SO2 gives HSO4 minus. On both sides there are only one sulfur, but number of oxygen here, 2 oxygen on left side, but 4 oxygen present on the right side. So we need to balance oxygen number first. Here SO2 plus, next one 2H2O gives HSO4 minus, and then plus 4H. Here number of hydrogen on left side 4, but right side one hydrogen already present. So SO2 plus 2H2O gives HSO4 minus plus 3H plus. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus 4H2, and then MnO4 minus plus hydrogen, number of hydrogen on right side there are 8H plus, 8 hydrogen atom. Balance. Next, include the electron. Include the electron on oxidation and reduction. What is the electron participated by here? Oxidation number here plus 4, here plus 6. So total number of electron in what 2 electron. So it is oxidation. So SO2 plus 2H2O gives HSO4 minus plus 3H plus 2 electron. So usually oxidation அப்படினா electron on right side. Okay. So இங்க நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணிட கூடாது. அப்படி ஆட் பண்ணா it become reduction. Next one. The oxidation state of manganese in MnO4 minus, it is plus 7 plus 2. What is the difference? 5 electron. So here MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2. Now equations are ready. This is equation number 1 and 2. Now equalize the electron by cross multiplication. Okay. So equation 1 multiplied by 5 and the second equation multiplied by 2. Equation 1 multiplied by 5 and equation 2 multiplied by 2. Finally, you just add 2 half reaction, you will get complete balanced redox reaction. Clear? Check the atom on both sides, number of atom. Still working. What is the final equation? Tell me the final answer.
Sir, 2MnO4 final.
2MnO4 minus permanganate ion
16H plus
16H plus
10 electron.
electron you just cancel out. What's the answer? No?
Sir, plus
Yes.
5SO2.
Plus 5SO2. Okay, gives plus
Sir, X plus will be 1, sir.
plus 10H2O.
just a minute, just a minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Here equation 1. This is the equation 1 multiplied by 5. 5SO2 plus 10H2O gives 5HSO4 minus only H plus. So 15H plus 10 electron. So another equation, equation 2 multiplied by 2. Equation 2. 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electron gives 2Mn2 plus 8H2. Now cancel the possibilities. Here 10 electron, here also 10 electron. And then here 16H plus. 16H plus, here 15H plus. So remaining 1 H plus is exist. And then water molecule here 10, here 8. So here 2 water molecule remains. Here 2 water molecule. So here 1 H plus. And then final equation is 2MnO4 minus plus 5SO2 plus H plus 2H2O gives 2Mn2 plus 5HSO4 minus remaining got it. என்ன கேன்சல் பண்ணாம இருந்தீங்க எலக்ட்ரான் வாட்டர் மாலிக்யூல் Students, the particular example, any doubts? Step 1, 2, 3.
No, sir.
Clear. Now some question. Note down. Identify oxidize and reducing agent in the following equations. Identify oxidizing and reducing agent. Identify oxidizing and reducing agent in the following equations. First one, H2O2 H2O2 plus Fe2 plus gives Fe3 plus H2O. Wait. N2H4 N2H4, it is hydrazine plus ClO4 minus, 1 minute, NO plus Cl minus. Student try to identify substance gets oxidized, reduced, and oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Tell me directly oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Oxidizing agent for equation number 1, H2O2. For second equation, so what is the oxidation state of oxygen in H2O2? -1. It is peroxide. -1 here, -2. -1 to -2. It is reduction. If substance gets reduced, then it acts as a oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is nothing but it helps to oxidize other substance, but itself gets reduced. This is reduction of reaction. Another one will be oxidation. This is oxidation. Oxidizing agent is nothing but the substance which helps to oxidize other substance, but itself gets reduced. Here hydrogen peroxide reduced to H2O2. Therefore, this species acts as the oxidizing agent. Okay. So another one, Fe2 plus oxidized to Fe3 plus. So here Fe2 plus oxidized here reducing agent. So next one. In first equation, what is the oxidation number of nitrogen in N2H4? -2x
-2, sir.
What is the hydrogen oxidation number? +1. So totally so here minus What about NO? This is minus 2. Here plus
Plus
2.
2, sir.
Minus 2 to plus 2. It is oxidation or reduction?
Oxidation.
So it is oxidation. So
N
another
to
one.
H4 is reducing agent, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the oxidation state of Cl in ClO3 minus? Plus 5. This is plus 5 here, minus 1. So plus 5 to minus 1, reduction. Reducing agent, Fe2 plus and N2H4. So oxidizing agent itself gets reduced. Reducing agents are itself gets oxidized. So now we have completed balancing by oxidation number method as well as ion-electron method. So next, the final topic is application. Some application in redox reactions. Listen, for redox reaction at present days, modern research is a very important role, particular battery. So நமக்கு வந்து இந்த present 11th grade ல two important applications available. One is battery or galvanic cell. So another one is indicator. So any idea about galvanic cell? So okay, what is cell? Still positive, negative only. What is cell? So okay, usually cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical to chemical energy. Okay, so galvanic cell is nothing but the device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, then indicator, at least sir indicator கேட்டிருக்கோம் experiment. Indicator எதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Examples indicators: phenolphthalein, methyl orange. What is the role of indicator?
Sir, to check whether it's acid or basics.
Okay, to identify acidic and basic medium as well as to identify the end point of the chemical reaction. Okay, so end point நீங்க titration இப்போ practical யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது titrationல indicator யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Actually indicator ஓட main application to identify the completion of the reaction. So அந்த completion நம்ம identify பண்றதுக்கும் redox ஓட ஹெல்ப்ல தான் நம்ம identify பண்றோம். இந்த redox reaction ஓட complete reaction, oxidation and reduction. அது பத்தி discussion, small discussion available. Galvanic cell பத்தி ஒரு basic information at least 11th grade ல தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Next year we have electrochemistry, one complete unit. The complete unit ஓட fundamental இப்போ நம்ம 11th grade ல அதோட basic terms மட்டும் discuss பண்ண போறோம். Note down galvanic cell. The next year. For galvanic cell, we need to learn some basic terms. First one, electrode, electrolyte, cell, redox, or anode compartment, cathode compartment also available. These four terms are very essential for galvanic cell. First, electrode, node. What is electrode? It is a metal rod. It is a metal rod which send or receive electron. Electrolyte is a metal rod or metal strip. Actually, in electrode we have two types. One is active electrode, another one inert electrode. Example for active electrode, copper, silver are example for active electrode. Inert is a graphite. Example for active electrode is a copper, inert it is graphite. Carbon, allotrope of carbon. Next one, electrolyte. Electrolytes are usually salt solution which provides ions. Salt solution or ionic compound which provides ions.
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Sir, can you repeat the definition of electrolyte, sir?
Electrolyte is salt solution or ionic compound which gives ions to the solution. Next one, cell. Is a device which convert electrical to chemical. So cell is a device which convert electrical to chemical or chemical to electrical. We have two types of cell. One is voltaic cell or galvanic cell. So another one, electrolytic cell. Note down very clearly. Actually, the overall redox, the main application next year grade 12 ஒரு complete unit electrochemistry. The electrochemistry fundamental அப்படின்னு சொன்னா galvanic cell. So electrical energy into chemical or chemical energy into electrical. So there are two types of cell. One is voltaic, another one electrolytic cell. So voltaic cell produces current, but electrolytic cell produces chemical reaction by the application of electricity. Okay. So இங்க voltaic cell நம்ம current இப்ப யூஸ் பண்ற எல்லா பேட்டரியுமே based on voltaic cell. But electrolytic cell chemical reaction, where chemical reaction occurs. For example, purification of metal. So அதில் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடியது இந்த electrolytic cell. voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Simple setup. This is the overall reaction taking place in voltaic cell. Zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus and copper. See, cell setup discuss பண்ணல, electrode, electrolyte எதுமே introduce பண்ணல, டைரக்டா example கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So இதில் என்ன நம்ம conclude பண்ணினா voltaic cell based on redox reaction. So here zinc is oxidized and copper gets reduced. So redox reaction only involved in voltaic cell. This is the cell setup. The first container contain zinc sulfate solution. This is electrolyte. And dipped with zinc rod. So another compartment contain copper sulfate solution. And here copper rod is introduced. This is zinc rod. So another one copper rod. Zinc rod acts as a anode. So another one cathode. Okay, listen. These two electrodes are connected externally, and then the solutions are connected by salt bridge. Listen, the salt bridge அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லிருந்தோம் last class? What is salt bridge? What is the role of salt bridge? என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? To maintain electrical neutrality. Okay, so maintain the ions level equal on both side. Number of ion, for example copper plus sulfate ion, here zinc plus zinc 2 plus and sulfate ion present in first compartment. So another one contain equal number of copper 2 plus and sulfate 2 minus ions are present. So the salt bridge example, for example KCl, எப்படி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஜஸ்ட் ஃபில்டர் பேப்பர் நீங்க பார்த்துருக்கலாம், ஃபில்டர் பேப்பர்ல KCl சொல்யூஷன் டிப் பண்ணி ட்ரை பண்ணிடுவாங்க. That one acts as a salt bridge. The salt bridge oda main role to maintain electrical neutrality. This is a simple setup. Zinc rod placed into zinc sulfate solution and copper rod dipped into copper sulfate solution, and here electrodes are connected externally. Here electricity produced is equal to 1.1 volt. By next class உங்களுக்கு இந்த detailed discussion voltaic cell பேஸ் பண்ணி calculation, salt bridge ஓட further application இதெல்லாமே next classல நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். சப்போஸ் இது வரைக்கும் ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்க டவுட்ஸ் கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிக்கலாம். அகைன் next class voltaic cell தான் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். Any doubts?
Sir, is it necessary to take for zinc anode and copper as
Yeah. So remaining thing we will discuss in by next class. But anyhow, zinc rod, zinc acts as a anode, copper acts as a cathode. Here zinc denoted by sign minus, here plus. By next class we will clarify remaining things related to voltaic cell.
Okay.
This is the basic information regarding voltaic cell. Okay, thank you students.
Thank you.